Can you use Apple gift card on Temu? Today we are going to talk about if you can use Apple gift card on Temu. So suppose you want to pay on Temu using your Apple gift card. So how can you do that? So in order to do that, you need to make sure to have a Apple Master card which you can use at the time. You won't directly be able to use your Apple gift card or Apple money to buy stuff on Temu. So first of all, you need to make sure you own this Mastercard. After having this, you simply have to go to your app store. In the app store, you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you will see an option for payments. You just have to go to that option, and in that option you will easily be able to redeem your Apple gift card and add the money into your Apple account, which you can use using this Apple Mastercard. So you just have to go to Temu, select the product in the checkout. It will give you multiple options. You just have to select a debit or credit card, or you can simply do the card as well, and then you will be able to make payments on Temu. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.